So today we're making chicken curry. Curry chicken, chicken curry, whatever you want to call it. So we got the chicken legs with simmering with the garlic, onion, and ginger powder. Now we're going to add the curry, the tomato paste, and then the chicken broth. Okay, so now we got the curry powder and the tomato paste, and we added the one carton of chicken broth, and that's it. We're gonna let that come to a boil. Then we're gonna add some potatoes in there and let it simmer for a good 40 minutes. Oh, that's right. Sorry, I forgot. We're also gonna add the mixed veggies. Mixed frozen veggies. I'm gonna add them in now.
Told you I'm the chef.
You're the chef?
I don't even know what to put in there.
The chef or the sous chef?
You forgot the vegetables.
I guess you're the chef today. I'm the sous chef today. Okay, potatoes going in. And now we're going to throw in also the mixed veggies. Oh, that smells amazing. Okay, so what's happening here? I see we got everything in there now. Chicken, potatoes, mixed veggies, and all your spices. We're going to let that come to a boil and let it simmer for a good 40-45 minutes, and the curry chicken will be ready.